Hi, Valencia's Garden. I'm at a car show and a petting zoo. Across from Der Dutchman. Fun, fun. It is hot, but there's a nice breeze. I just want to share with you these little bookers, baby ones. You guys have babies? Do you have a baby in here? You do? You both as babies? Aw, you weird. I know. You're such a good baby. And they have these little feeding things, which I'm not going to give them anything right now. Maybe later. Do not feed goats anything except for the special goat treat feed. Please, thank you. There's another one under there. Another little baby over here. There's another little baby over here. Aw, look at this one. Look at that little baby. Hi. Hi, little baby. Aw. Oh. Oh. Awful cute. Awful cute little stinker. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Me and my sunglasses and my Browns cap. Keep the sun off my face. I love ya. You guys stay safe out there with the heat. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.